We've talked about different kind of food production system. Out of them, cooked chill food production system is one, and it is one of the modern food production system that is being used by different food service industries rapidly. In this audio note, we'll talk about in detail regarding cooked chill food production system. Cooked chill food production system is a catering system based on normal preparation and cooking of food that is followed by rapid chilling in controlled low temperature condition, which is above freezing point 0 to 3 degrees Celsius, and subsequently reheating immediately before consumption. Chilled food is refrigerated and regenerated in finishing kitchens, which require low capital investment and minimum staff. Almost any food can be cooked chilled provided that the correct method are used during the preparation. The cooked chill system is used in volume catering, in hospitals, schools, and social services. Also used for banquets, in conference and exhibition caterings, in vending machines where meals are dispensed to the customers, and the factories, hospitals, and services outside of the main meal time. Food suitable for cooked chill processes are meats, all different kinds of meats and poultry, fish, all different kinds of fish, egg dishes, omelets and scrambled eggs, soups and sauce. Most of the soups sauce can now be chilled successfully. Dessert, hot sweet, especially that requires a hot base and a separate topping. What is the purpose of chilling food? Well, the first purpose of chilling food is to prolong its storage life. Under normal temperature condition, food deteriorates rapidly through the action of microorganisms and enzymic and chemical reaction. A reduction in storage temperature inhibits the multiplication of bacteria and other microorganisms. Also slows down the chemical and enzymic reactions. At normal refrigeration temperature, reactions are still taking place, but at much slower rate, and at the frozen food storage temperature, which is minus 20 degrees Celsius, all reaction nearly ceases. A temperature of 0 to 3 degrees Celsius doesn't give a storage life comparable to frozen food, but it does produce a good product. Cooked chill process. The food should be cooked sufficiently to ensure destruction of any pathogenic microorganisms. Chilling process must begin as soon as possible after completion of the cooking and portioning process within 30 minutes leaving the cooker. The food should be chilled at 3 degrees Celsius within the time period of 90 minutes. The most pathogenic organisms will not grow below 7 degrees Celsius, while temperature of below 3 degrees Celsius is required to reduce growth of spoilage organisms and to achieve the required storage life. However, slow growth of spoilage organism does take place at this temperature of 3 degrees Celsius, and for this reason, storage life cannot be greater than 5 days in this cooked chill process. Food should be stored at the temperature of 0 to 3 degrees Celsius. Chilled food should be distributed under such controlled condition that any rise in temperature of the food during distribution is kept to be a minimum. For both safety and palatability, the reheating of food should follow immediately upon the removal of food from chilled condition and should get raised to the temperature level of at least 70 degrees Celsius before serving. Avoiding the dangers of cooked chill. In order to avoid the danger, maintain and record the correct temperature. Maintain high standard of hygiene. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients, avoiding raw material that may contain excessive numbers of microorganisms. How to store and maintain the quality in cooked chill food production system. During the storage period, before reheating and consumption, certain food product may deteriorate its quality. So, following things must be considered. The flavor of certain meat dishes, in particular the white meat, veal and poultry, deteriorates after 3 days. Chilled meat without sauce can develop acidic taste, and fish dishes deteriorates more rapidly than the meat dishes. Fatty food tend to develop off flavor due to fat oxidizing and vegetables in general may discolor and develop a strong flavor. Dishes containing meat tends to develop a flat taste, and if spices have been used, then can dominate the flavor of meat by the end of chill storage period. Dishes that contain large amount of starch may taste stale after the chill storage time. Now, production unit planning for cook chill. The production unit consists of deliveries. All food product must be of prime quality and stored correctly under required temperature. Preparation. All food must be prepared quickly under appropriate condition temperature, avoiding possible cross-contaminations. Initial cooking process must be within the temperature at least 70 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius to achieve great safety margin. Portioning should take place under appropriate condition in controlled environment. Chilling must be chilled within 30 minutes of cooking and reduced to the temperature below 3 degrees Celsius or within 0 to 3 degrees Celsius by 90 minutes of time. Portioning after chilling. This process should be carried out in controlled environment within 30 minutes of food leaving the chill storage and before reheating commences at a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius. Storage. All food must be stored in its own special refrigeration area. Never store cooked chilled food under the same condition as fresh products. Reheating. All cooked chilled food must be reheated as quickly as possible to minimum temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, ideally 75, but preferably 80 degrees Celsius as well. What are cooked chilling equipments? The first one is blast chiller or air blast chiller. These use rapidly moving cool air to chill the food evenly. Some models have temperature probes or thermoprobes so that the temperature of the food being chilled can be checked without opening the door. Cryogenic bath chiller. These use liquid nitrogen at the temperature of minus 196 degrees Celsius. This is sprayed into the chilling cabinet containing the warm food. In the warmer temperature of the cabinet, the liquid nitrogen turns to supercold gas, absorbing the heat from the food. Fans move the cold gas over and around the food. Once the gas has become warm, it is removed from the cabinet. Some equipment use carbon dioxide instead of nitrogen. What are reheating equipments in cooked chill food production system? Combination ovens. These are ideally suited for bulk food production and can be used with steam, which is very effective in producing quality products. So, we have equipments like steamers. These may be used for certain food, especially vegetables. Microwave oven. These are used for small amount of food, any food. And finally, infrared ovens. This may be used for small or large quantities of food. Thank you.